All aboard!
It's Driver Dan's Story Train!
Hello, everyone!
Hello, Driver Dan!
Which of our friends are we going to see? Which of our friends do you think it will be? Climb aboard and travel with me. All aboard the story train.
All aboard the Story Train! Twinkle, have you spotted someone? I can't see who it is. Can you?
Look, there's a nose. Where? There, under the cover.
Listen, can you hear a little bell? Could that be a clue?
It's Precious. Look, she's standing in the shade.
Phew, standing in the shade is a good idea. It really is a very hot day today. Can you hear what I can hear?
It sounded just like the rooms. But we can't see them yet. Where are they?
Hi, Driver Dan. You're just in time.
Hello, Precious. Just in time for what?
Just in time to give me a fan and keep me cool.
Here you go, then.
Oh, that's better. Do you know, I've been trying to keep cool all morning. I tried lying under a tree. I even got the rooms to bury my feet deep in the sand.
So I see. Has it helped?
No, the sun has made the sand too hot. Oof, it's too hot to trot.
Phew. It really is a very hot day. Hey, so where are those brooms?
They were here a moment ago.
It's the brooms.
And a big hello to you too. Ooh, you are hot, aren't you? What we need is a nice cool breeze. I've got the perfect way to cool everyone down. Twinkle loves it too.
Oh, what is it, Driver Dan?
Climb aboard and I'll tell you.
Oh, yes!
Riding in the train will give us a lovely cooling breeze. And while we're cooling down, we'll be on our way to Story Corner.
Oh, thanks, Twinkle. That's lovely.
But we'll need to pick someone else up on the way. Ready, Twinkle? Maybe the next passenger will have an even better way of keeping cool. Whoever it might be. Let's find out. Okay, Twinkle, I'm ready. Are you ready too? Then let's go!
All aboard the Story Train!
Oh, what a nice breeze. So cool.
This breeze really does the trick. Now, Twinkle is too hot to fly and search, so I really need you to find who else is waiting for the Story Train.
Look, in the grass. Are the counting sheep hiding? I don't think so. Oh, look there. What was that? It's Tallulah! Tallulah! She's next on the Story Train.
That's great! You found our next passenger. Thanks for all your help.
Oh, where's the breeze gone? Yoo-hoo! Tallulah!
Hi, Tallulah. It's a hot day, isn't it?
It was, but now I'm very cool, thank you very much.
You're right. You look as cool as a fridge full of cucumbers.
That's because I'm standing in my water hole. Ah, that's better.
Now that does look cool.
Oh, if only it was a bigger water hole, then we'd all be able to cool down together.
Then maybe we all need to work together to cool together. Brooms, can you dig us a bigger water hole? They'll need your help. Keep those digging brooms cool. clever.
Come on in, Driver Dan.
Cool yourself down.
Well, if you insist. Oh, yes, nice and cool. Ooh, I could stay in here all day.
But aren't you taking us to Story Corner, Driver Dan? We do like stories, you know.
But this waterhole is so nice.
Oh, please.
Well, I suppose we could find a nice cooling story to read.
Yes, let's go.
Oh, I love this bigger waterhole.
We could have a paddling pool party tomorrow. Oh, yes, that would be fun. We can invite everyone.
You'd better all watch out for when Loopy splashes in. Okay then, we're all hooked up, Twinkle. Are we ready to go? Are you ready too? Then let's go!
All aboard the story train! We're going to have a story. Maybe one about a waterhole. Or a sunny story.
Woohoo!
Who's ready for a story then?
Yes.
I was thinking maybe... Aha! I know just the book. Is everyone settled down and ready to listen?
All ready, Dan. Yay!
And all of you, sitting down comfy and ready to listen?
Ready, Dad?
This story is called Room on the Ice by Dave Ingham, with pictures by Rebecca Elgar. Sitting on an iceberg, sitting very still. Charmine the polar bear smiled for the camera. Say cheese, said Mum. Uh-oh, said Dad. When hello, said Celia the seal. Sitting on an iceberg, sitting very still. Charmine and Celia smiled for the camera. Smile, said Mum. Uh-oh, said Dad. When up popped Wigpen the walrus.
There's no room on the ice.
They'll all fall off.
I hope not, that water looks freezing. Sitting on an iceberg, sitting very still. Charmine, Celia and Wigpen smiled for the camera. Smile, said Mum. Uh-oh, said Dad. Coming into land, said Sunny the seagull. Sitting on an iceberg, sitting very still. Charmine, Celia and Wigpen and Sunny smiled for the camera. Stay still, said Mum. Oh no, said Dad. Can I join in? Said a tiny voice. Sploosh! Help! Said the friends as they splashed in the water. Fantastic, said Mum. Nice photo, said Dad. Cheese, they all said, as they smiled for the camera. The end. What a cool story.
And chilly.
And now it's your turn. Which bit did you like best? Come on, it's time to show me the story.
I'm taking pictures. Smile. Click. Look at me. Click. Smile. Click. Say cheese. Click. Click. Smile. Click. Smile for the camera. Click. Great photo. My turn to take one. We're flying like seagulls. Whee! 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 Look at us, we're swimming. There's Charmine and Celia. I'm swimming with Wigpen. Now I'm bobbing in the waves. Hello! Hello! Hello!
Thanks for showing me the story. All that ice and snow really made me feel cooler. Are you on an iceberg just like Charmine and her friends?
Yes. Move over. Ooh, make some room. Shuffle up a bit, will ya?
Well, let me help you off your iceberg and back onto the story train. Glad you all enjoyed the story, but now it's time to go. All aboard!
All aboard the story train!
Bye, everyone. it's time to go, but let's come back soon because we all love stories.
Bye, Driver Dan. Bye. I like stories about cold places. I like stories about trains. I like stories about going to the beach. I like stories about snowmen.